Hello and welcome to Galaxy Expansion Week. I'm Gabs Ferreira, Head of Marketing here at Galaxy, and we are here to show you everything we have been working on for the past months. But I'm not doing this alone. I'm here with Fred Maya, our CEO, and Henrique Schmeich, our CTO. So we're kicking this week off with the big news, Galaxy Metal. For those that don't know, Galaxy Metal is a complete rebuild of our platform. To start things, guys, I'd like you to tell us, please, what is Galaxy Metal and give us a high-level overview of these changes.
Sure. So Galaxy has been running for over 10 years. We learned a lot, but at some point we hit a wall with the old system and we had two choices, keep fixing the old one or build something new. We chose to build.
And Henrique, you led the technical side of this change. How would you describe Galaxy Metal and what it is?
The simplest way to put it, we took everything we learned and we built a new platform from scratch. New code base, new infrastructure, and new architecture. It's the platform we wish we had when we started.
Henrique, one of the things that I hear a lot from customers is that builds and deploys matters a lot for them. What is the difference about Galaxy Metal in that sense?
So the biggest difference is that Galaxy Metal run on bare metal. What that means, you don't have virtualization, you don't have virtual machines, and each layer adds overhead. We cut this part and now we have more resources available to use it in the deployments or inside the containers and your apps.
All right, so with bare metal, basically we cut out the middleman.
Exactly. So your app gets access to the actual hardware, and the result is like faster builds, faster deployments, more consistent performance, and also the build queues. That was the main pain point of the old platform. That's basically gone now.
Yeah, and build times are much faster now. And with Kubernetes, we do rolling deployments with zero downtime. So basically your app stays up while you push the new version.
Guys, the zero downtime part is huge. I have already talked to customers who are nervous about deploying during business hours. How does that actually work?
So we've always used blue-green deployments. Basically, your new version gets fully deployed and tested before we switch the traffic over. And that hasn't changed. And what's the difference is that it's way faster now. The whole process, the build, deploy, and the switch happens in a fraction of the time it used to.
And one more thing, we don't use spot instances. Everything runs on dedicated hardware, so no noise neighborhood problem.
So to summarize, faster builds, zero downtime, and consistent performance because you're not sharing resources. That's a really big upgrade, guys.
Exactly, and that's the foundation, and it enables everything else we are building on top.
Okay, so guys, now let's talk about something that is really important, cloud flexibility. Over time, we have always relied on AWS for our services. What has changed now?
So historically, our Meteor apps run on AWS, and our Python and Node.js and also databases were already running on OVH. And with Galaxy Metal, we've unified everything. And right now we are fully cloud agnostic. So basically what that means, you can deploy in pretty much any provider. And the key difference is that everything is under the same modern architecture.
Yeah, two reasons. First, flexibility. If a customer needs a specific provider, we can do that. And second, data sovereignty. This is becoming a big deal.
Yeah, I've had a lot of conversations with European customers about this. The US Cloud Act, GDPR, data residency, these are all real concerns. Henrique, how does Galaxy Metal addresses this?
Basically, our default European infrastructure now runs on OVHcloud, which is a French company headquartered in Roubaix. They're subject to EU jurisdiction, not the US. So if you deploy your app in our EU region, your data stays in Europe on a European-owned infrastructure.
Right, and if you need a specific provider or region, just talk to us. We are not locked in anymore, and we don't charge extra for this. No enterprise tier needed.
I think that's a big differentiator. Most PaaS providers are tied to one specific hyperscaler.
Exactly. And I want to be clear about migration. Our existing customers, if you are running in a specific region now, you stay in that region. We are not moving anyone without talking to them first.
Now let's talk about the enterprise side of things. Fred, you said that we want to offer enterprise feature without the enterprise pricing games. What do you mean by that?
Look, we've all seen how other platforms work, right? You want SSO or audit logs, and suddenly you need an enterprise plan, custom codes, sales calls. We don't play that game.
So Galaxy Metal has enterprise-grade security built-in. What that means: network policies, role-based access control, comprehensive audit logging. It's part of the platform, not an upsell.
And guys, what about certifications? This is something that enterprise customers always ask about.
So right now, Galaxy is fully GDPR compliant. We have DPAs for all customers, and in 2026, we are getting SOC 2 Type 2 and ISO 27001.
And for people that don't know anything about this, why does it matter, guys?
So SOC 2 is about security controls and process. It's the standard that auditors in the US typically look for. The ISO 27001 is the international standard for information security management. Having both means we can work with customers who have strict compliance requirements: financial services, healthcare, government, contractors, and so on.
And we're investing in this because our customers are growing. Some started as small startups, now they are enterprise scale. So we need to support them at every stage.
What if someone watching this has compliance requirements right now? Like, for example, they need the specific documentation for their auditors.
Yeah, just reach out. We can help with documentation, configurations, whatever you need. No hidden keys, just fair pricing for what you use.
All right, so Galaxy Metal is live, migrations are happening, but we've got more planned, right? Give us a preview.
We have a lot coming in 2026. Beyond the certifications, we are building out private networking, which is a secure communication between your services, PR previews, which are automatic preview deployments for your pull request, A/B traffic splitting for canary deployments.
Yeah, and Okta integration for SSO, and we are rebuilding the account system. I know that's been a pain point for some of you.
The new accounts infrastructure will be faster and more reliable. We are addressing a lot of the friction people have experienced.
We'll be sharing a more detailed roadmap during this week. Each day, we are approaching different aspects of the platform, so don't miss any of them. Okay, so let's talk about what people should actually do. If you're already a Galaxy customer, where are we on migrations?
So migrations haven't started yet, but they are coming very soon. Free-tier apps go first in the next few days, and then Essentials and Professional will follow after that. If you are on a custom plan, we will reach out to you directly before migrating.
And if you're not yet a Galaxy customer, you can create your account now and deploy your app in minutes. We support Node.js, Python, and Meteor apps. And we also have databases, MongoDB, Redis, and Postgres. So if you haven't created your account yet, we have a link here below so you can start today, and with your $60 in Galaxy credits that you have probably got by subscribing to the Galaxy Expansion Week. And after trying out the platform, if you have any questions or feedback, our support is available through the dashboard or through the email support@galaxycloud.app. Okay guys, so any final thoughts before we wrap this up?
Galaxy Metal represents over a year of, and honestly, I'm proud of what we've built. It's the foundation for everything we are going to do next.
And we are just getting started. This week is about where we are going, not just where we are.
Okay, so this was day one of Galaxy Expansion Week. Tomorrow, we'll be diving into deeper specific features and use cases. So make sure you are subscribed. Thank you for watching, and I see you tomorrow.